Hi, Luke. Good morning.
Hi, Mia. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. I just finished my morning coffee.
Oh, nice. Coffee always helps to start the day, right?
Yes, it really does. I can't start my day without it.
So, Luke, do you usually practice English in the morning?
Yes, I do. I like to practice when my mind is fresh.
That's a good idea. I usually practice in the evening after work.
Oh, that's nice too. Everyone has their own best time to study.
True. What do you do to practice your English?
I usually listen to podcasts and repeat after them.
That's smart. Shadowing practice really helps with pronunciation.
Exactly. How about you, Mia?
I watch short English videos and try to speak along with them.
Oh, that sounds fun. What kind of videos do you watch?
I like daily conversation videos, simple topics like food, travel, or hobbies.
Oh, those are great. Speaking of hobbies, what's your hobby?
I love reading and cooking. How about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and watching movies.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies. They make me feel relaxed.
Me too. I love comedies. They make me laugh after a long day.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, sometimes with subtitles. It helps me learn new words.
That's a great method. I also try to repeat short sentences from the movie.
Oh, like imitation practice?
Exactly. It's fun and helps me sound more natural.
That's great. Do you have a favorite actor?
Maybe Tom Hanks?
That's great. Do you have a favorite actor?
Maybe Tom Hanks. I think he's amazing.
Oh, I like him too. My favorite is Emma Stone. She's really funny.
Yes, she's great. So, Mia, do you speak English every day?
I try to. Even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes, I practice speaking.
That's a good habit. Consistency is the key.
You're right. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Sometimes I talk to myself in English.
Oh, really? What do you say?
Just simple things like, I'm hungry, or I need to do the laundry.
I do that too. It's like having a conversation with yourself.
Yes, it helps me think in English.
I also keep a small notebook for new words.
That's smart. I write new phrases in my phone notes.
Oh, that's convenient. Do you review them often?
Yes, especially when I'm on the bus or waiting for something.
That's a good way to use your time.
By the way, Mia, do you like learning American English or British English?
I prefer American English because it's easier to understand for me.
Me too. The accent is more familiar from movies and TV shows.
Yes, and I love how casual and friendly it sounds.
That's true. British English sounds elegant, though.
Yes, both are beautiful in their own way.
Have you ever tried talking with a native English speaker?
Yes, once. I joined an online language exchange.
Oh, that's awesome. How was it?
I was nervous at first, but the person was really friendly.
That's great. What did you talk about?
Just simple topics, hobbies, food, and our daily routines.
That's perfect. Small talk is great practice.
Yes, I learned that it's okay to make mistakes.
Absolutely. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Right. Now I try to speak more without worrying too much.
That's the spirit. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Thank you, Luke. Talking to you always motivates me.
Same here, Mia. You're a great speaking partner.
So, what's your plan for improving English next?
I want to record myself speaking and listen to improve pronunciation.
Oh, that's a great idea. I might try that too.
You should. It's interesting to hear yourself and notice mistakes.
Yes, and it's a good way to track progress.
Exactly. Maybe we can practice together again next week.
Sure, let's do that. Same time next week?
Sounds perfect?
Great. Thank you for the fun conversation, Luke.
Thank you too, Mia. Talking in English with you was awesome.
See you next time.
See you. Have a great day.
Hi, Luke. It's nice to see you again.
Hi, Mia. Nice to see you too. How have you been?
I've been good. I practiced English a lot this week.
That's awesome. What did you do to practice?
I watched some English shows and repeated after the actors.
Oh, shadowing practice again.
Yes, it really helps me speak faster and more naturally.
That's great. What shows did you watch?
I watched Friends. It's funny and easy to understand.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. The jokes are great.
I agree. I also learned many daily phrases from it.
Like what? Can you give me an example?
Sure, like, what's up? Or, that's awesome.
Haha, yes. Those are very common in American English.
By the way, Luke, do you ever feel shy when speaking English?
Yes, sometimes, especially when I don't know the right word.
Me too. I get nervous when I speak with native speakers.
I know that feeling. But remember, confidence comes with practice.
You're right. I should speak more and worry less.
Exactly. Don't try to be perfect, just try to communicate.
That's a good point. Even native speakers make mistakes, right?
Yes, everyone does. The goal is to understand each other.
I like that. It makes me feel better.
Good. You're already improving a lot.
Thank you, Luke. That means a lot to me.
So, Mia, what's your English goal for this month?
I want to learn 10 new words every day.
That's a great goal. Do you write them down?
Yes, I have a notebook for new words.
Oh, nice. How do you remember them?
I make short sentences using each new word.
That's smart. Using words in context really helps.
What about you, Luke? What's your goal?
I want to improve my listening. Sometimes I can't catch fast speech.
Oh, I understand. That's hard for me too.
I started listening to English songs to train my ears.
That's fun. What kind of songs do you like?
Pop songs, mostly. They're catchy and easy to remember.
That's a good idea. Music makes learning more enjoyable. That's a good idea. Music makes learning more enjoyable.
Exactly. I also read the lyrics and learn new expressions.
Oh, I should try that. Do you sing along too?
Sometimes. It helps with pronunciation.
Me too. Even if I sing badly, it's still good practice.
Totally. The goal is to speak clearly, not to be a singer.
By the way, Luke, do you use any English apps?
Yes, I use Duolingo and YouTube for listening practice.
Oh, I use those too. They're really helpful.
Yes, and free. That's the best part.
True. I also follow English teachers on TikTok.
Nice. Short videos are easy to understand and repeat.
Sometimes I record myself speaking English for 1 minute.
That's a great idea. What do you talk about?
I talk about my day, like what I ate, what I did.
Oh, like a daily diary. That's awesome.
Yes, it helps me notice my pronunciation mistakes.
I should try that too. It's a good self-check method.
Luke, do you have any advice for beginners learning English?
Yes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's true.
And speak a little bit every day. Even 5 minutes is enough.
Yes, daily practice really works.
Also, listen a lot. Your brain learns the rhythm naturally.
I love that. Listen, speak, and repeat.
Exactly. And one more tip, enjoy the process.
Right? Learning should be fun, not stressful.
Yes, watch movies, talk to friends, laugh, and keep going.
You're right, Luke. I feel more confident already.
That's great to hear. Your English sounds more natural now.
Thank you. I'll keep practicing every day.
Let's make a deal. We both practice daily and meet again next week.
Deal. We can share what we learned.
Perfect. Maybe we can try a new topic like travel or food.
Ooh, I'd love that. Talking about food sounds delicious.
Yes, let's do it next time.
Great. Thanks again, Luke. Talking with you helps me a lot.
Anytime, Mia. You're an amazing learner.
See you next time.
See you soon. Keep speaking English every day.
Hi, Luke. It's good to see you again.
Hi, Mia. Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm great. I just had a delicious breakfast.
Oh, really? What did you have?
I had pancakes with honey and a cup of coffee.
That sounds amazing. I love pancakes.
What about you, Luke? What did you eat this morning?
I had scrambled eggs and toast. Simple but tasty.
Nice. I love breakfast food. It's my favorite meal of the day.
Me too. Breakfast gives me energy to start the day.
Exactly. I can't focus without eating something in the morning.
Same here. Coffee and eggs are my morning essentials.
Luke, do you like trying new kinds of food?
Yes, I do. I love exploring different cuisines.
Oh, me too. I like Japanese food the most.
Sushi, right?
Yes, sushi and ramen are my favorites.
Yum. I also love Italian food, pizza and pasta.
Who doesn't love pizza? It's perfect for any time.
That's true. Do you cook at home, Mia?
Yes, sometimes. I like cooking when I'm not too busy.
What do you usually cook?
I cook simple dishes like fried rice or pasta.
That sounds delicious. I cook too, but not very often.
Why not? You should cook more.
I know. I usually eat out because it's faster.
That's true, but homemade food is healthier.
You're right. I should learn more recipes.
I can teach you one, my easy fried rice recipe.
Really? That would be awesome.
It's simple. Rice, eggs, vegetables, soy sauce, and a bit of salt.
That's it? Sounds easy enough.
Yes, just fry the eggs first, add vegetables, then rice. Mix everything.
Wow, I'll try that this weekend.
Great. Tell me how it goes next time.
Sure. By the way, Mia, do you like to travel?
Oh, I love traveling. It's my favorite thing to do.
Me too. Traveling makes life more exciting.
Yes, you get to see new places and meet new people.
Where is your favorite place you visited?
I went to Thailand last year. It was amazing.
Oh, I've always wanted to go there. What did you like most?
The food. Thai food is spicy but delicious.
Oh, yes. I've tried Thai curry before. It's so good.
How about you, Luke? Have you traveled anywhere interesting?
Yes, I visited New York City last summer.
Wow, that's on my bucket list. How was it?
It was great. Busy, loud, but full of energy.
Did you visit Times Square?
Yes, and Central Park too. Everything felt so lively.
I'd love to see it someday.
You should. It's a city that never sleeps.
Do you like big cities or quiet places when you travel?
Both. Big cities are exciting, but quiet places are relaxing.
I agree. Sometimes I just want peace and nature.
Me too. I like the beach the most.
Oh, I love the beach. The sound of waves is so calming.
Yes, and watching the sunset is the best part.
Definitely. Do you swim?
A little. I'm not a great swimmer, but I enjoy the water.
Same here. I just like walking along the shore.
Mia, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Maybe France. I want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, Paris. That's a dream destination.
Yes, and of course, I want to try French desserts.
Like croissants and macarons?
Exactly. I have a sweet tooth.
Ha, me too. I can't say no to desserts.
What about you, Luke? Where do you want to go?
I'd love to visit Japan. I want to see Tokyo and try real sushi.
That would be amazing. The culture is so unique.
Yes, and everything looks so clean and organized.
True. Maybe one day we can both travel to our dream countries.
That would be awesome. Traveling and food, they always make people happy.
I agree. You learn so much about culture through food.
Yes, every country has its own flavor and style.
Exactly. Eating local food is like learning history with your mouth.
Ha, that's a funny way to say it, but it's true.
I know. So next time we meet, let's talk about our dream trips.
Sure, I'll think of more places to share.
Great. Talking with you always makes me excited to learn English.
Same here. It's fun and useful at the same time.
See you next week, Luke.
See you, Luke. Have a great day and enjoy your meal.
You too. Don't forget to eat something tasty today.